These are the top stories making headlines on ITWeb this week. Real-life cyborg Neil Harbison believes non-fungible tokens and the blockchain will create much safer connections for future generations that have internet sensors implanted in their bodies. Harbison, who has an antenna implanted in his skull that allows him to hear colors, was a guest speaker at the IDC South Africa CIO Summit 2023. The state IT agency, SITA, will be tasked with rolling out a national broadband project worth at least 6 billion rand, said Communications Minister Mondli. In addition, government also plans to deploy close to 10,000 Wi-Fi hotspots to boost connectivity across the country. The Department of Communications and Digital Technologies entities have all been hard hit by the rolling power cuts, but not as much as the state IT agency, SITA. As renowned South African software engineer Professor Barry Julitsky has passed away. His colleague at the University of Witwatersrand's Joburg Center of Software Engineering, Adrian Schofield, confirmed the news to ITWeb. Finally, MTN Group's new brand Baobab has signed a deal with Infrastructure Development Fund Africa 50 to develop Project East to West, a terrestrial fiber optic cable network connecting the eastern shores of Africa to those on the continent's west. For these and more news, visit itweb.co.za.